Ever spent hours wrangling receipts and cross-referencing spreadsheets, only to be left with a nagging feeling that something just isn't right? Yeah, me too. That's the life of a freelancer before the glorious discovery of accounting software. But with a million options out there, is Zoho Books the knight in shining armor for your small business finances? Buckle up, because in this video we're diving deep to see if Zoho Books is truly worth your hard-earned cash. First things first, Zoho Books boasts a cloud-based system. Imagine this. No more bulky software installations, just access your finances from any device, anywhere. That flexibility is a game changer, especially for freelancers and remote teams. Now, features are what really make or break accounting software, right? Zoho Books throws a ton of goodies your way. Invoicing, check. You can create professional-looking invoices, automate recurring billing, and even track overdue payments, all from one central hub. Inventory management, they've got you covered. Zoho Books lets you track stock levels, generate purchase orders, and even manage low stock alerts. Project management, yep, it does that too. Keep track of billable hours, expenses, and project profitability, all within the same platform. But what if you're just starting out? Here's the beauty of Zoho Books. They offer a free plan. It's perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs with a limited number of invoices and expenses. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and see if Zoho Books jives with your workflow. Alright, so far so good. But what about the not-so-rosy aspects? Because let's be real, no software is perfect. For some users, Zoho Books can feel a little clunky compared to more streamlined accounting options. The learning curve can be a bit steeper, especially if you're new to accounting software altogether. Another point to consider, integrations. Zoho Books shines brightest when paired with other Zoho products. Project management with Zoho Projects, inventory management with Zoho Inventory. Seamless integration creates a powerful business ecosystem. But if you rely heavily on non-Zoho apps, you might encounter some integration roadblocks. Finally, the pricing structure. While the free plan is a lifesaver for startups, Zoho Books paid plans can get a little pricey as your business scales, especially when compared to some competitors offering similar features at a lower cost. So, is Zoho Books worth it? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. For freelancers and startups, the free plan is a fantastic way to streamline your finances and get a taste of what accounting software can do. For growing businesses that crave deep integration with other Zoho products, Zoho Books can be a powerful all-in-one solution. However, if you're on a tight budget or prioritize seamless integration with a wider range of third-party apps, then Zoho Books might not be your perfect match. The key takeaway? Do your research, consider your specific needs, and take advantage of Zoho Books' free plan to test the waters. With a little due diligence, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect accounting software to conquer your financial woes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.